In the first video, I showed you how we could search for related terms like nuclear and atomic and pull up a graph that would show their distribution across a particular date range of Hansard. If you reset your screen, it will leave the dates that you last chose, in this case 1944 to 2005. And so you can do the same search again, and I'm going to show you this time how you can click through the graph to see the data itself. So there's nuclear, and if we add atomic, you get the same two graphs you had before. And in this case, you can click on the graph at any point and pull up the data itself. You could choose a date range, say from 1955 to 1971. That would be a lot of data, so for now I'm just going to choose the point where the two graphs intersect and click twice on 1955, which pulls up the data in two columns. Nuclear has 479 contributions, atomic has 408 contributions, and in each case there's a little menu that enables you to hide the date and hide the member if you wish to, and just look at the contribution. The contributions themselves represent a single spoken contribution to a debate by a Member of Parliament or a Member of the House of Lords. We've used this neutral term rather than speech or text because some of the contributions can be very short. They could be simple interventions in other people's speeches, and some of them are very long, formal and possibly originally written speeches. So the contribution is the basic building block of Hansard, and that's why we've used them here. You'll see the search term, nuclear in this case, in that first item, is highlighted in bold, and you can also see at the end of each contribution there's a little bracket which says 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, for example. If we click on, say, the second contribution in the nuclear list, and you get taken through to the full contribution, and you can see towards the end there are the 4 examples of the word nuclear in his speech. You go back up to the text display, you can see that the one that you've highlighted, the one that you've clicked through to, is highlighted there, so you can tell what is available at the bottom of the screen. If you wish to know more about the member that is speaking, you can click on member and it will take you through to parliamentary data on that member, so you can find out more about them. If you wish to download certain contributions, you can click on the left hand side, as many or as few as you like. If you want to click on all of them, you can click at the box at the top, and if you then click on download, it will download each contribution into a separate text file at the bottom of your screen that you can then save. So that's the way to download the contributions themselves. As you'll see towards the bottom, it shows you where you are in the list of contributions. It says 10 contributions per page, but don't forget that involves more than 10 hits, because each contribution may have more than one hit, more than one occurrence of the word that you've selected. In the next video, I'll show you how to display the data in a different format with the hits central in concordance lines, but this video has showed you how to display them per contribution.